full self-driving beta test. This is the one that drives in the neighborhood and everything. That's why it looks this way. This thing is driving on its own completely, even inside the neighborhood. Driving completely on its own. All right, you got to touch the wheel. There you go. We are rolling. I'm not doing a thing. It says touch the wheel.
Turn right onto Barbecue Church Road.
Look at this thing. That is all the way full self-driving. That's not the normal autopilot screen. That's the beta version of the full self-driving, where it can drive even inside your neighborhood. All right, so these vehicles up here, you touch the wheel. That's the car slowing down on its own. And now speeding back up. Got a curve coming up here. Let's see what, gotta touch the wheel. All right, here we go, curve. Tesla driving on his own. There you go. Right into the curb.
Now turn right onto.
All right, so we gotta make a right turn. So I turned the signal on. I'm not gonna make the turn. Let the car make the turn. Look at that. Look at this. Car done made the whole turn. Look at that. That's crazy. Car done made the whole turn, all on its own. Now, every time the screen flashes blue, in case you don't know, that's when you gotta touch the wheel. There you go again. It's gotta touch the wheel. All right, it's slowing down. My feet are right here, so I'm not touching nothing. It's all on its own. And you can see the traffic pattern there. You can see what's in front of us. It sees the line of cars. Full self-driving.